Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Maybe you no longer use a certain bank, or you just want to keep your QuickBooks clean and organized. Whatever the reason, disconnecting a bank account is quick and easy. Let's go through it step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. On the home page, you'll see the sign in option at the top right corner. Enter your email or user ID along with your password and click Continue. This will take you straight into your QuickBooks dashboard where all of your financial data is stored. Once you're inside, head over to the Bank Transactions tab. This section shows you all the bank accounts currently connected to your QuickBooks. From here, find the bank account you want to disconnect. Next to the account, you'll see a small bank icon. Click on it, then choose Edit Account Info. This is where you can adjust the settings for that particular account. Make sure you're editing the correct account before moving forward. Now, in the Account Details window, look for the option that says Disconnect this account on save. Check that box, and QuickBooks will know you want to remove the connection. The system will then ask for confirmation, so click Yes to confirm. Finally, hit Save. This last step is very important because if you don't save, the account will stay connected. Once saved, the bank account is officially disconnected and your QuickBooks will stay neat and updated. And that's all it takes to disconnect a bank account in QuickBooks Online. It's a small task, but really important for keeping your financial records clean and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tutorials and tips.